Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to turn off broadcasts and spaces notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've been getting alerts every time someone starts a space or launches a broadcast, this quick guide will show you how to stop them once and for all. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account before moving forward. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Notifications. It's the little bell icon in the menu. This will open up your main notifications page, where you see all your mentions, likes, and other alerts. Next, look toward the top right or just above the list of notifications and find the option that says Settings. Click on it to enter your notification settings area. This is where you can manage what kinds of alerts you want X to send you. Now, once inside, you'll see a section labeled Preferences. Click on Preferences, then select Push Notifications. This part lists every type of notification X can send to your device. Scroll down until you find the section labeled From X. Under that section, you'll see an option called Broadcasts and Spaces. This setting controls notifications about live audio chats or broadcast sessions happening on the platform. To turn those off, simply uncheck the box beside Broadcasts and Spaces. Once you uncheck it, X will stop sending you those updates right away. There's no need to save anything, your changes apply automatically. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Broadcasts and Spaces notifications on X Web. Now you can focus on what matters most without getting constant alerts about live events you don't want to join. If this guide helped, consider exploring the rest of your notification settings to fine-tune your experience even more. You might be surprised how many alerts you can actually control on X.